Imagine holding the rarest treasure in the world in your hands. Not gold, not diamonds, but a digital asset that is becoming increasingly scarce, Bitcoin. Most people don't realize it yet, but one day they will fight for every tiny piece of Bitcoin they can get. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Bitcoin owners, and you might be surprised by how few people actually own a whole Bitcoin. Ready for numbers that might shock you? Maybe you've asked yourself, how many people actually own any amount of Bitcoin? Let me tell you, the answer is anything but obvious. There are 8 billion people in the world, and there will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin in existence. Of all the 19 million Bitcoin generated so far, roughly 5 million are lost forever. That is almost a quarter of the entire available supply. These Bitcoin were forgotten, misplaced, locked in wallets, or simply disappeared from their owner's reach. This makes the remaining Bitcoin even more valuable and highlights how important it is to keep your coins safe and watch over them carefully. Let's look at the biggest players in the Bitcoin universe, the so-called whales. A whale is defined as someone who owns at least 1,000 Bitcoin. Today, there are about 2,100 wallet addresses with more than 1,000 Bitcoin. Measured against the 8 billion people worldwide, that means there is only about one wallet address with over 1,000 Bitcoin for every 3.8 million people. However, there is a catch. Many of these addresses belong to exchanges that hold Bitcoin for thousands of users. So, the true percentage of individual whales is even smaller. But hand on heart, how many people do you know who have enough money to buy that much Bitcoin? Probably not many. That's why the large, colorful Bitcoin community spread across the globe, made up of small investors, is much more exciting. This group is often called shrimps, people who own less than one Bitcoin, but are at least in the game. Did you know? More than 12.5 million addresses contain more than 0.01 Bitcoin. That corresponds to about 0.15% of the world's population, or 1 in every 640 people. So, the chance is pretty high that you or someone you know owns at least a small piece of this digital treasure. But now for the highlight, the moment everyone is waiting for. How many people worldwide own at least one full Bitcoin? The answer is approximately 1 million wallet addresses. Let that sink in for a moment. Only 1 million people out of 8 billion worldwide. That results in roughly 1 person in 8,000 who can call themselves a member of the exclusive One Bitcoin Club. Consider this. There are about 60 million millionaires worldwide, but only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. If every millionaire wanted to hold just one Bitcoin, there simply wouldn't be enough to go around. Sooner or later, even the last wealthy individuals will realize this, and that is when the true battle for Bitcoin will begin. What would happen if we distributed Bitcoin equally across the entire global population? Let's do a thought experiment. If every one of the 8 billion people on Earth received an equal amount, everyone would have about 0.002625 Bitcoin. That sounds like very little. But did you know that you could secure exactly this share today for around $240? A small piece of the pie that gets your foot in the door of this new financial world. Who knows, maybe one day this piece of Bitcoin will be worth what a whole lifetime of work and savings is worth today. Let's summarize. Bitcoin is becoming more exclusive and sought after every year. With just over 1 million people worldwide owning a full Bitcoin, the run on digital gold is in full swing. Whether you are just starting out or are already deep in the crypto world, this development is far from over. What does this mean for you? Quite simply, the story of Bitcoin is not yet finished. You still have the chance to secure your piece of the pie before it might one day be too late. Consider whether a small share of this unique, scarce asset makes sense for you. If this topic fascinates you, stay tuned. Share this video with your friends and family. Maybe you know someone who already has a few sats stashed at home. And remember, he who comes too late is punished by life, or at least by Bitcoin.